Okay, so today we're gonna check out this Japanese shop. It's called Makotoya Ramen, and it's here in the Venetian, and it's not too far from the food court. So let's go check that out. It's gonna show you exactly where we are. Here we are, Parisian. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, this is Japanese ramen shop. So we got some noodles. We got so that's basically the main spot right there. So so we're gonna get some noodles. They have asahi. It looks pretty good place. A little bit pricey, but it's in the Parisian casino. So in a minute, I'll have it right here, and I'll show it to you, and then it'll film outside. Got a ramen. This is really nice. So got some egg there. Got this is like pork right here, and it's kind of in a pork broth. It's really tasty. Look at that. It's really tasty. And actually you can just drink the broth and it's already pretty good, but sometimes I get it with a Coke anyways. Yeah, it's really good. And just tap off a little bit of an egg like that. Add it. Get a little noodles. Usually I have my left hand with that, but I want to have the camera now, so. This too, it's so tasty. Just melts in your mouth. It's so good. Anyways, definitely recommend this one. Wow. Okay, so this is the ramen shop we just had. So they got all this kind of stuff, and I think I had that top one. I think no, different one. But anyways, this is kind of the ramen shop right here. Makotoya. That was really good. Excuse me. I think this is what I had right there. Oh, that was great. Okay. So just to give you a little context, this is the Venetian. Sorry, Parisian. And we're gonna end this video right there. But this is right on the. Sometimes I do this in Macau, right on the street signs. So okay. So yep, very good one. Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da movimento.